In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change recovery email in Yahoo Mail. This is a quick but important update that keeps your account secure and makes it easier to get back in if you ever forget your password or need to verify your identity. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. Look for the official Yahoo result so you're on the real site. If you already have Yahoo Mail bookmarked, you can use that as well. The idea is simply to get to the sign-in page safely. Click the top official result to open Yahoo Mail. If your browser asks, you can allow it to remember the site for easier access next time, but that's optional. Sign in to your Yahoo account using your usual credentials. If you have two-step verification turned on, complete that as prompted. Make sure you're signing in on a trusted device and network for extra security. Once you're in the new Yahoo Mail view, head to the top right corner. Click your profile name or avatar and then choose Account Info. This opens your account management area, where you can adjust security and recovery details. Next, go to the security section. Depending on your settings, you might be asked to verify again. Just follow the on-screen prompts. In this area, you'll see options related to how you can recover your account. Find the section for additional emails and select Add Email. This is where you manage the backup email addresses that Yahoo can use to reach you if you're locked out. Type in the new recovery email address you want to use and click Next. Choose an email you check regularly and can access at any time. Ideally, make it different from your main Yahoo address in case one service is ever unavailable. Yahoo will send a verification code to that new email. Open a new tab or your email app, retrieve the code, then return to the Yahoo page, enter the code, and click Verify. If you don't see the message, check your spam or junk folder. Codes can expire, so use it promptly. If you'd like to remove an older recovery email, find it in the same list and click the trash icon or remove beside it. Follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. Before you remove anything, double-check that your new recovery email is verified and accessible so you're never left without a way back into your account. That's it. You've updated your Yahoo Mail recovery email, strengthening your account security and making future recovery much smoother. Thanks for watching, and keep your recovery details up to date.